Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a React.js Canva clone kind of editor that I developed using react-konva kind of a library, which is open source library specifically for React.js applications. So we have built this editor. You can check out the live demo. I have this on my freemediatools.com website. You can check out the live demo. So this is actually an editor which have all these controls out there. We can add text, images, we can add different kinds of shapes, and then we can export them to an image file. So we can click on circle here and we can add shapes here, and then we can just position them. We have this rectangle one. You can even change the color here. So you can see it's a graphic editor, canvas editor. You can even add these shapes, arrows as well, and then we can even draw something. So you can pick a color here, and then we can even add images. So if you have an image, so you can just position the image here accordingly. And after this, if you are interested in exporting this, we have a download button right here, which downloads everything as a PNG file. So if you open this image here, you will see all the canvas is exported to an image file. So this is actually the project. You can actually use this on this website, and I developed this inside React.js. You will see this is actually the overall project here. So if you are interested in this, you can see this is a singular file here which contains everything right here, 508 lines of code here. So for building this editor, we have used React.js, which I showed you, React 18, the latest version, and also we have used this library Canva. If you don't know about this library, if you just write here react-konva, this is actually the package here, canvajs.org. It's an open source canvas graphics library of React. So we have used this library for making this graphic whiteboard canvas Canva clone kind of a editor. So this will be the project. You will, after you make the payment, you will actually get the zip file automatically from Google Drive. You just need to extract this. So if you are running it locally, so what we need to do, if you are running it for the very first time, you come to the terminal. You first of all execute the command here npm I, so to install the Node.js module. So it will create this folder, and then for running it locally, you simply type the command here npm run dev. So this will start the development server, localhost 5173. So similarly, we can start this application locally 5173. You will see the application will perfectly work. You can see that you can draw shapes, you can add images, you can see that. Then we can export this, you can see that. So this is actually the tool right here, and once you purchase it, you will actually get the full source code, and you can even modify this as well to add additional features. And if you want to deploy this, it's very easy. The build command, you simply run the command npm run build. So this will build out everything into a minified HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It will create a dist folder. This folder it will create, and you can simply deploy this application as well. So if you are interested, guys, first of all, you can try out the live demo, which is mentioned in the checkout page. So you can use it if you are interested. The link is given in the description. You will get the full source code with full directory structure, and you will be able to modify the code as well. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next video.